Many complain against technology. Many accuse modern technology for all the woes in the world. By the directions of God, Noah built a boat that traveled one of the longest journeys in the history of navigation. In the same way, the Temple of Solomon, one of the greatest architectural wonders of the old world, was built by people taught by the Spirit of God and directed by the hand of the Lord. This is the witness of the Holy Scriptures. While people continually felt God above them, before them and around them, in the same way air and light is felt, they attributed and dedicated all their technological works and handiwork to Him, their Lord and Creator. Wherever the fear of God vanishes and the moral law of God is trampled, that is where the mountain of human technology falls into the dust from which it was built. Technology changes man's relation towards nature.